Welcome to the Hughes Center for Aesthetic Medicine. I'm Rose, Director of Operations for the practice here in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Upon visiting the Hughes Center for Aesthetic Medicine in Cherry Hill, you will be greeted by knowledgeable front office coordinators who will administer a simple temperature and safety screening. Next, you will be escorted to your private cosmetics suite, where you will begin your journey with your cosmetic consultants. At that point in time, we will listen and address the areas that you are most excited to treat and enhance. We will use our expertise along with our most up-to-date cosmetic technologies to establish a comprehensive treatment plan that will allow you to invest in yourself. You will meet a board-certified physician within the practice who will confirm your course of action, offering everything from skincare, peels, skin rejuvenation, body contouring, injectables, and cosmetic surgery. The Hughes Center is committed to offer our patients access to economical resources that comfortably fit their financial needs. We offer 12-month interest-free financing through Care Credit, Ally Rewards, Aspire Rewards, and of course our semi-annual events that allow our VIP patients to capitalize on pre-purchase promotional pricing. We are pleased to provide South Jersey's best board-certified, all-female top doc physicians to include a Harvard-trained oculoplastic facial plastic surgeon, a board-certified gynecologist with a specialty in cosmetic injectables, an elite nursing and clinical staff, a team of certified medical estheticians with 12 to 30 years experience. And I am proud to say that I have been selected as an Allergan Institute Cool Sculpting faculty member, voted an expert in our cool sculpting field. We are super excited to have you here at the Hughes Center. We are #1 cool sculpting provider in South Jersey. Don't miss coming to see us here at the Hughes Center.